Look what we got incoming today. This does not look good for this day. Ay, ay, ay. Progress. This is a little update. This is the radishes. Look at this. This is going great. And over here, the beans and the salads and some of the chili starting to grow really good. The spicy chili not so good though. We'll see what's happening with that. Maybe we do a replant. There is something really satisfying about planting your own seeds and see them grow and see the progress of it all. This is something we definitely want to do more of. You can see she is working really hard over there. That's appreciated since I've been sick for a week or so. Who are you talking to, honey? You're talking on the phone?
Yes.
Hello. I just say you make really good work here. The progress is awesome.
I'm very good at it tonight.
Very good. Okay. We have so much fish now. It's crazy. Well, hey you, hey, you want to eat the fish? You want to eat the fish? Wow, check it out. One of our banana trees is getting bananas now. Oh, here we go. That's cool. Gotta water the rest of them really good too, so we get much bananas.